Hi my people, welcome back. This is your baby girl Chris Faith. Allow me. Thank you for tuning in. And today I'll be teaching you how to make your own gel. Yeah, how to make your own gel. Let's go to the kitchen. I'll be making use of the flaxseed, be making use of my glass container, making use of my pot and water. I'm using 100 grams of the flaxseed. I've filled the electric kettle with the quantity of water enough to make the gel. It's actually 2 steps. You can do the other method and you can make use of this method too. Conclusion is make the gel. I have to unplug the kettle. You see? This is the outcome of the first one. Can you see? I've not separated the gel. I'll be showing you the second step. My second step is my pot. The water must be moderate. We are making gel, you remember, we are not making milk. Follow me as I do it. Oh, my water is on the fire. This is the second method you can actually do. Pour it inside. You can see how it's actually. So it's ready. Our gel is ready now. Let me take the camera back to show them my sieve and my container. So I'm actually pouring it. Outcome of our gel. Can you see that? If you love this video, kindly thumbs up and press the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe to my page. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.